Okay, next I'll show you how to create a scatter plot in Excel, Microsoft Excel. I assume you have installed either the software in your computer, yeah, as I mentioned in the level 1 instructions, you have access to uh, the Microsoft suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others as an Algomu student. And or either you are using the NAB computer to work on it. So you have access to Excel. Okay, so I assume you have already copy paste 2 columns information from the Excel file you created for level 1, right? The reflectance for the red band and the reflectance for the near infrared band, right? And so that's for red band, that's for near infrared band. Next, we'll have to arrange them in a very specific way so that we can create a scatter plot based on it, right? The first 3 is for all other, right? And then the next next group of 3 is for build up, and the next 3 is are for forest, and the next 3 are for grass or lawn, and yeah, next 3 will be for bare soil. Okay, so your names may be slightly different. That's fine, no problem. No problem. Just make sure you assign, you arrange the data like build up, right? Build up. You assign your data like this way. Next, you will need to highlight the area that includes the data. Right? Just click and hold your mouse, select the area, right? Release your mouse. And then right click on the select area. And okay, so let me just click on insert, scatter plot. Right? It's so straightforward, right? So the points of similar or the same line features being grouped together. That's really understandable, right? Similar line class, hopefully, ideally, very similar spectral properties. We have problem if similar line features different spectral responses, right? So that's the reason we say that remote sensing both science and art. Because of course, because especially for medium resolutions and coarse resolution images, the information contained in pixels can be mixed, right? This may be so for Landsat, because a pixel is corresponding to 30 by 30 square meters, which is 900 square meters, right? 100 square meters, which is large. In many cases, if there's a mixed information there, and then the mixed pixels may be hard to identify, may be hard to be classified by the software automatically. So anyway, so now we have like 5 series of data, right? So 5 groups of land features. Okay, so next, we will need to can make some changes so that the chart we create looks very organized. What does series 1 mean? Right? What does series mean? What information is being presented for the horizontal axis or x-axis? Right, right. So this type of information. What do we want to do first? And so I'm looking at the instructions right now. Okay. Right. And click on the chart and click on the chart design tab. Right. Chart design tab. Right. Then click on add chart element. Axis title, primary horizontal, so which is correspond to red. Right. Enter. And then we click on the add chart element, axis title, primary vertical. We can say near infrared. Enter. And then that's it. That's it. And then we will want to add the legend, right? What does series 1 mean, right? Click on the legend and then right click and select data, right? Series 1. No, it's highlighted. Then we click on editor. So series 1, in my case, it's blue, right? Corresponding to water. Just type in water. So make sure your series 1 may be different. So make sure you understand um, the names for different series, right? And click on OK, right? Series, okay. So then series 2, edit. Series 2, edit. Series 2, in my case, correspond to build up, all right? Instead of typing in, we can click on this up arrow and then click on, in my case, D1 here, right? Select from the headings, right? Click OK. Build up. Right, so now it's been changed. And series 3, in my case, should be forest. Be forest. Right, so say I select it. The change. Forest. Right, click OK. Right, series 4. What is series 4? Lawn. Right, or grass in your case. Series 5. Bare soil. Okay. Then you click on OK. It's very clear, right? Very clear. And you should be able also be able to change the shape of the markers, right? So for water, for example, just click to select them and right click and what else? Format data series. Right click, select format data series. Right, you will need to click on fill and line, the marker. Right, marker options, built-in. You just select one. You just select one. Okay, just select one, and make sure the color is right. Right, select one, just a square. That's fine. Size 5, you can determine because you want not to have to be too big. Right, the fill, you want to select solid fill, and then you want to select a blue color. That's blue color. So that's it. That's a water. And build up the marker options. Okay, you can select a different shape. This circular shape, that's fine with me. And in many cases, build up and solid fill. We can use like a brownish red color or a brownish red color, right? And forest, of course, green, right? Forest, of course, green. Mark options, change to a different one, a built-in, and say triangle, solid fill. That's dark green, right? Dark green. Okay, and how about the lawn or grass? Grass, normally the color we want to assign as um, slightly different. Slightly different. Say this one and light green. Light green. And then finally bare soil. Bare soil, the built-in, different shape. Yeah, not many shape available. We just use this one, and can use the yellowish color. Okay, uh, that's it. That's it. And of course, for this chart, we don't need to have It depends, right? It depends if, for example, if this chart is a part of a paragraph, right? So normally there will be a caption or like figure one, blah, 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 a title there, right? So the chart title might not be deleted. So for in this case, we just delete it delete it, right? And right. Okay. And we can relocate it and relocate it. And relocate it. Yeah. You can always make adjustment. Right. Now, this is a map our chart scatter plot we want to create. Okay.